twagala okwebaza Banaffe aba Haojin Motors olwokuba nti olunaku lwaleero abatuwadde ekirabo kino ekya pikipiki kyetugenda okubanga tuwa omuwanguzi w'empaka za Kakensa eza Radio Sapientia ez'omwaka guno 2024 era nga pikipiki eyo tujja kugimuwera ku Tavern Woods wali e Kabuusu ku lunaku lwe Sunday. Nolwekyo Haojin Motors, we want to thank you so much for contributing towards this. And I now want to hand over to our station manager, who is Mr. Francis Junju, to receive this bike officially. The number plate is here. We have all the documents. So we are happy as Radio Sapientia and the sports team in particular, as well as marketing department, to have managed to secure this bike from Haojin Motors. So, Mr. Frank, anything before Haojin Motors?
Thank you very much, Haojin.
You're welcome.
We are so humbled for this. It is a corporate social responsibility which you are doing through Radio Sapientia as well to reach out to the wider audience. We have also our responsibility to see that we evangelize. But evangelization through all the categories of content, you would talk about sports, music, political talk shows. This is sports in particular. And you coming in, you are supporting this youth who is going out to start work or to earn money. So we are doing our responsibility to add value to the society, to the wider society. So we are so humbled. We thank Haojin. Please, our thanks to the managing person and also Madam Barbara, who has been the contact person, who has done a lot to see that this is worked out. And also great thanks to our marketing manager, Wasa Roberts, who has done a lot to see that we have this. We are so happy. We promise prayers, but above prayers, a working relationship. Because this is a radio station, and we are sure we are going to advertise you. You will get more customers with God's blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Any word?
Actually, I want to appreciate the support so much for accepting to join Hoju family. I'm really glad. And the Hoju is a good bike. It's going to help you to do work, and actually it is a long-lasting bike. Hoju is, we are using Japan technology. Yeah, as you see those engines, they're a bit different. They are not like India or China.
Okay.
So it is good to go. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we are waiting for you on Sunday. Greetings to Madam Barbara and team.